What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about simplifying your YouTube videos. If you're just starting out here on YouTube and you're trying to create your videos, I'm sure you probably watched a ton of videos here on YouTube on how to create videos, right? And this can be a little daunting at times because trying to create YouTube videos can be pretty complicated if you make it complicated, right? And I think the process of creating videos is pretty simple, depending on how you want to create your videos. In 2025, things have changed over the years, and definitely, I think, for the better here on YouTube. So I'm going to go over a couple of tips here that I think is going to help you along the way and make your life a lot easier creating your YouTube videos. Hey everybody, my name is Rob G, and if this is your first time here on the channel, I want to thank you guys for visiting the channel. I do appreciate it. All right, so when I say simplify making your YouTube videos, I mean when you're recording your videos and you're editing your videos and you're doing everything that you need to do to make your videos look the way you want them to, sometimes that could be a little complicated and cause a lot of issues with creating. So what you need to do is try to keep your videos as simple as possible and just try to get your message across, because this is what everybody wants when they come here on YouTube. They want you to just get kind of straight to the point. So there's a lot of different softwares that you can use for editing your videos, but some of them can be pretty complicated. And I don't know about you, but I think I mentioned this in my videos before. When it comes to editing videos, I'm pretty lazy. I don't like doing it, and I just don't like spending a lot of time editing my videos, because I feel that spending so much time editing my videos, I could be creating other videos. So the process of doing a lot of editing could be pretty frustrating, and especially if you're just coming on a platform and you're brand new to this platform. Just learning things here about YouTube is hard enough, let alone with editing videos, right? So there's a lot of stuff that you don't need to put in your videos that a lot of people do. And to be honest with you, when you put all that stuff in your videos, it's not going to get you more views or anything like that, or subscribers. It's just going to frustrate you, and you're probably not going to want to keep on creating your videos. So when you're creating your videos, the best thing to do is just try to record your videos and get to the point where you want in your videos. People are going to appreciate that. They don't really come to your channel and look at your videos to see the new transitions that you have, or to listen to the great audio that you have, or maybe adding some images and stuff like that to your videos. They don't really, to be honest with you, they don't really care about that. If you see in most videos, people don't even ask you to subscribe anymore, because they just want to get the message across to you. And in 2025, I think this is the new trend. And I think that's why you see a lot of new videos popping up on the homepage, where they're really small creators and their videos are just, they're just blowing up here on YouTube. And I think that's pretty much the way it is now. So focus on your videos, just creating them. Try to learn as much as you can from YouTube, because YouTube is a learning process, and it's a never-ending learning process. So you're always going to be learning new things about YouTube, and YouTube changes over the years. You're going to see a lot of different changes here on this platform, and I think most of the changes that's coming to the platform is good, especially for the new creators that's coming on the platform. So just kind of focus on what it is that you want to get across in your message, and just focus on learning how to maybe use your camera. You might have to learn a little bit about lighting, but you don't need a lot of expensive stuff to actually get started, because there's a lot of affordable gear online now that's going to help you in creating these videos. Over the past couple of years, I've been focusing on just keeping my videos simple, and I think now is probably the best time for me to actually focus more on that. I use DaVinci Resolve for my videos in editing, but there's another new application out which is called CapCut. I think it's a lot better, and I think it's probably one of the most popular video editing softwares now, especially for new people like yourself that's just coming on board and you want to just keep things simple. When you uploading your videos to YouTube, just record your videos the way you want them, and if you want to go back to your videos, just kind of look at your videos and see what the recording looks like. So when I usually record my videos, I kind of do like a dry run, I want to say, and I'll record my video, and then I'll just play it back to see how everything looks in the video, if my audio is good, and if everything looks good, then I'll just keep going from there. But focusing on learning how to record your videos, I think, is more important than actually editing your videos, because you have to learn how to record and get your information out the way you want it. So I think that's a good process of doing. Most of the people that come here on YouTube, especially if they're first starting out, I think watching so many videos, you get a little overwhelmed of how your videos is supposed to look, right? So you're going to keep looking at videos that people are doing a lot of editing and a lot of processing to get the videos done. And that's going to kind of get you frustrated, and you may not even want to do it. Keeping your videos simplified, just recording your videos and uploading them to YouTube is not a bad thing. I mean, if you have mistakes in your video, it's okay, because people want to see originality and they want to see people in the real life, and keeping your little mistakes in your videos is not bad. And I don't think we need to do every kind of different cuts to get everything out of your videos. You're going to find out that if you do this, people are going to probably appreciate you more. This is what I've been doing, and I've been doing this for a little while. But now in 2025, I see things have really changed, and I'm really happy the way things are now. So post your comments below. Let me know what you guys think. If you're just starting out here on YouTube and you're having issues with this, and you think that your videos should look a certain way in order to get successful here on YouTube, post your comments below so we can actually talk about that. And I'm here to tell you that your videos don't have to look a certain way here on YouTube to be successful, because I've seen a lot of videos on the homepage with new people coming on board, and these people are not doing no editing. They're not even creating the thumbnails the way people say you're supposed to be doing. They're not even creating their thumbnails. They're just shooting their videos. They're getting their point across, and they're uploading their videos. And I've seen a lot of videos here recently that they're not even adding text to the thumbnails, so they're not really focusing on the thumbnails because they want to just keep it simple, and I think it's really working here on YouTube. So keep that in mind. If you're a new YouTuber and you're coming aboard, you don't need a lot of technical aspects to learn everything, because being a tech savvy person should not stop you from creating your YouTube videos. If you want to create YouTube videos, just start creating your videos. If you have your phone or whatever it is you have to record your videos, the most important thing is start now uploading your videos so people can actually see your videos, and you can get better as you go along, right? So post your comments below and let me know what you guys think. And I hope these tips help you, and I'll see you in my next video. My name is Rob G. Peace.